going on, snappers? It's another video from your boy Charlie Joe. If you want to know where I got the parts for this here video, go ahead and check out the description below. I will tag, or I should say put the link down to Amazon where you can go ahead and get your new black glossed grill. Let's take out 4 of these screws right on top of the grill. I would say with a plier or maybe a star Allen wrench, whatever you want to do, however you want to do it, as long as you don't scratch up your paint. Right? Alright, make sure, and I stress this highly, make sure you place your screws in a safe place. Now, let's go ahead for the weathering strip. Let's go ahead and gently remove the weather strip. Real easy, simple, nothing hard. Just don't pull it so hard that you damage it. You ain't got time to be ordering weather strips, because we all know that's probably going to be pricey. Go ahead and put that to the side, and now let's stick your finger right in the creases or the gaps of the grill frame. You'll pop this open, boom, right over that latch, pop that open, boom, just like that, and you go to the last one, boom, 3 latches, pop those open, and now just go ahead and make your way down the line and snugly pull back towards you. Don't pull so hard, you don't want to go ahead and have to order a whole nother bumper or whatever they call that. Right there, you see this? Right behind that, you're going to see a little latch. Of course, you won't be flapping it up. You'll actually be taking a flathead and flapping that down. Once you flap those down, you'll be able to remove the first part of the grill. Alright, so what I'm showing you now is where the latches are for that grill, or at least the first part. So just go ahead and squeeze in between and flap those latches down. Alright, and of course all the other videos show you how to do it from the front end or whatnot, and it's like hard as heck to reach those flaps. So I'm going to show you a better way to reach those flaps in a minute. Alright, real easy. 1 flap there, 2 flaps there, or latch, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you an easy way. Get yourself a wrench, Allen wrench. I'm hoping I'm saying the tool name right. And remove all 4 or 5 of these screws. Could be 6, I'm not sure, but just remove those so that we can go ahead and get this panel off. So just twist that off, use your hands or whatever you want to. Once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and release or unscrew 2 of these screws, one on the left side here, and then the other would be on the right side, sorry. And then you'll just go ahead and lift those right out. Lift those out, and that'll give you way for the intake hose. See the little latch there? Go ahead and take that latch, push it inwards, and that way you'll be able to lift. And then you'll be able to lift that little flat out of the way. Let's put that back. Make sure, again, put everything in a safe place so you don't lose it. Now we have easy access to the back of the grill. We have easy access to both the main grill and the face of the grill. And you'll see what I mean in a minute. You see these little latches? The videos that you see on YouTube want you to go forward or from the front part of the grill, but we are going from the back. See how hard and difficult it would be if you were trying to do it from the front? Before you start trying to take off the front grill or the first part of the grill, make sure you put some tape around the bumper, or should I say the frame work of the grill, so that you don't scratch your paint. Alright, you see the little latch right in between there? It's going to be a little slightly difficult to get there, and you don't want to be sticking your flathead through there and scratching your paint. So do as I did. That front piece comes off fairly easy once you get to that latch. Everything else is real easy to get out. Once you get that out, you'll expose the main part of the grill, which is the body or the frame of the face of the grill. I don't know what to say or how to explain it, but you get what I'm saying. It's pretty much two pieces to the grill. So this is the second piece. All you have to do now is go ahead and pry that down, boom, and then pull. Simple, slightly, not too hard, but go ahead and nudge it, nudge, 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 and you'll see it come out real smooth. Boom, just like that. And you're gonna do the same thing for the next one. On the top there should be 2, and then on the bottom there should be 3. Easy, snug, boom, pull it out, easy. And then on the side you'll have 1 there. You'll do the same thing, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright, so let's go ahead. Now once you do that for the bottom as well, you slip that out and pull the whole thing out. Now you have 2 parts of the grill that you've just pulled out. Real simple, real easy. I tell you, the other videos on here is gonna have you out there for about 45 minutes. I had to make my own video of an easier way. It looked like it's difficult, but guarantee you this is gonna be so easy. I have got this X5 grill from Sani. I hope I'm saying it right, but I'll drop the description down below. You guys can go ahead and cop that. Let's go ahead and take those out the box. My very first unboxing. I ain't doing that great, right? If not, let me know down in the comment section. But if I'm doing good so far and you're learning a bit, please let me know. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. Beautiful black gloss grill for your X5 F15. Show you how beautiful and nicely manufactured, nicely well put together grill. Alright, simple. Just line up everything. Make sure you line it up correctly, and just make sure you hit each and every latched area to securely put your grill in place, or keep your grill in place. Now let's put the other one in. Real simple, same thing. I'll give you a more bird's eye view on the latch. 2 latches on the top. Make sure you line those up. Real nice, real smooth, and easy. Nothing hard about it at all. Guarantee you'll be done with this in no more than 15-20 minutes if you follow my strategy. This is my 2016 F15, or aka BMW X5 X-Drive. Bow, bow. Let me know. Smash the like button. Replace all that. Alright, make sure you put everything back to normal. Alright, smash the like button, guys. Subscribe, ring the bell. This is my first voiceover. Hopefully you guys liked it. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh snap, with you later. Holla.